A subtotal is the sum of two or more items. Usually the items are summed because they belong to the same category. The subtotal is then summed with other subtotals, and we subsequently arrive to the total. For example, the subtotal that you see here aggregates the group of fixed assets. This subtotal is later summed with other subtotals in order to arrive to total assets. Subtotals are useful because they help us organize more clearly the financial statements that we are using. Calculating growth percentage. We want to understand how certain drivers changed historically, because history can be a good indicator of the future. In order to calculate the year-on-year growth that was experienced by a given parameter, we can use the following formula. Current value divided by previous value minus 1. In the example that you see, we would have the value for 2012 divided by the value for 2011 minus 1. This is the growth that we realized going from 2011 to 2012. Quite intuitively, when we want to increase a value by a percentage, we can multiply the previous value by 1 plus the growth percentage.